Hey guys, it's me again. I'm at the shop. It is very late. I am very tired and my phone's dying, but I got to share this with all of you. We are done 100% with our roll cage finally. Friend of a friend, goes by the name of Rocky. He helped us out with the welds. I'm an okay welder, not a great welder. He's an awesome welder, and he did all these fantastic joints on this car for me. And it's just fantastic. Really pleased with how this all came out here. You can kind of see that is the passenger door bars tied into the frame there. Again, kind of strange because it's a Corvette, but look at that. That is an amazing amount of contact patch we have there. Now let's come out to driver's side. As you can see, like we planned, it goes into, come on, don't make a fool of me, goes into the cavity of the door, giving us the absolute maximum amount of room to get in and out of this thing. And it's never gonna be great because it's a Corvette, but this actually ain't so bad. And in fact, I'm gonna see if I can get in this thing while manning my phone. If I fall, it'll be caught on camera, and that'll be funny. Ugh. It's a little undignified, but you get the basic idea. And then you can see right there, stitched to the A-pillar bar into the frame. Did a couple of notches here to get it even tighter. And yeah, this is metal, part of the door structure. We wanted to keep that, but as you can see, this is tight to the door itself. Let's see if we can get some more of the handiwork back here. Back stays all welded in, center support bar, just fantastic looking. So as you can see, it's raw steel. So our first line of business coming up here is to get some paint on this so it doesn't die. But then the other thing that's kind of cool is I can finally start making some more permanent things. You know, the fuse box is just hanging there, and the breeze will get attached up there really nice. The gauges will be permanently attached, really nice, wired and things like that. So I'm whooped. It was a long day, but as you can see, totally worth it. We did really good here. So that's what I got for now, and we'll see you all at Gingerman if I have anything to say about it. Bye for now.